Hi guys, just found this in my stock of stuff or junk pile. 3D printed rubber band repeater pistol. Originally the barrel ended there, but I put an extension on it so I could put longer rubber bands on it. That's the Thingiverse number. It was about 2 or 3 years ago I printed this one off. I just thought we'd give it a little try. It's, as I say, it's been in my junk pile for a couple of years now, but it looks like it's still in one piece. It needs a rubber band at this end to tension the trigger, and then the rubber bands just hook over that little indentation there and round this wheel here, so it can shoot six shooter. So we'll set the camera up and see if we can hit the camera. Okay, I've got the wireless microphone on, so you should be able to hear me even when I got my back to the camera. Oh, that was pretty close. Oh, yes. Well, we certainly got a hit on the camera with each one. I think we even got one right across the lens. Just clip it over. There we go. I reckon I could get one more on there, make it a 7 shooter. Yeah, that's staying in place at the moment. So, here we go again. Oh, that one's not releasing. Why not? I don't know. Ratchet is... That's better. That took my eye off it. That's because I wrapped that other one round. To make it a 7 shooter, that's pulled some of them out of position. I see now. That's trying to be too clever. Yeah, we had one misfire there because that one had got wrapped around the axle. Yeah. Well, that works. I'll just demonstrate loading it. That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? Pick these up first. Right. Can we do this so you can see it? Hook one over the end. Over there. Might be easier to do it the other way. Click it back. Over there. Over there. Yeah, that works easier. Click it back. Oh, just drop the rubber bands on the floor. Over there. Over there. Click it back. Over there. Over there. Click it back. Over there. Over there. And one more. Make it a 6 shooter. Over there. over there. Right, let's see how we get on doing this. Can I do it through the camera? No, I can't really see through the camera. It clicks one step first, just to get it lined up, and then away we go. Okay. This is difficult to aim with the camera in the way. Oh, that's caught again. Why is that caught? Yeah, there's one there that's gone round the axle. Right, I have absolutely no idea how that managed to get itself into the pivot area, into the axle, shaft, whatever. Let's just do one, just to... Right, ready? Yep. Yeah, I can't figure out how that managed to get in there the way it did. It was right in there. Let's do the one on the left. Ready? And then one more for the one in the middle. Ready? That's pretty accurate. So, yeah, check the video description. There'll be a link to the original gun. I don't know whether I did a link for the extension piece that I did. I have to check my original videos. I'll put links to the original videos. They were on my normal channel. This will be on my Put a Rubber Band on It channel, because that's why I put stuff that's rubber band related nowadays. Yeah, I like this. I don't like weapons, but I like this.